So my name is Thierry Maudire, I work for SYSGO, and we're here at Embedded World 2023 in Nuremberg. And one of the demonstrators that we are showcasing this year, demonstrating the great integration of Presagis VAPS product, so their certifiable graphical framework, which is compliant to ARINC 661. So in particular, in this case for Avionics cockpit. So you can see on this large screen typical helicopter cockpit instrument panel with the usual instruments you would expect for such use cases. Again, this is coming from Presagis graphical application using their ARINC 661 compliant framework, which is, as with PikeOS, certifiable up to DAL A. So the combination of PikeOS plus Presagis VAPS software allows you to have Avionics cockpit application certifiable up to DAL A. The hardware we use in this box is a IMX8 QuadMax mech board from NXP. What is interesting about this platform is that it has 2 GPU and 2 display units. So we take advantage of mixed criticality possibility for the graphics to show, of course, what is safety relevant, safety related on this large screen, all the instrumentation application, and on this second monitor, which is plugged on the second display unit, using the second GPU. An application, here it's a simple video, but that could be any other application that is not safety relevant or that is to be certified to a different level as the instrumentation, of course. So this is possible with PikeOS due to its strict separation mechanism and the certification of the kernel as a multi-core SMP operating system.